Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 5 ways to update documents in the MongoDB database. Number 1, use the updateOne method to update a single document that matches the given filter. Here I'm updating the document with the ID ending in 865 and setting a new APN and a new subdivision. Number 2, if multiple documents are returned, then the updateOne method will only update the first document. In this example, I have 2 records which have the subdivision of Willow Acres, but when I run updateOne, only one of those documents will be set to subdivision of New Acres. I'm going to revert this back before we move on to the next example. Number 3, use the updateMany method to update all the documents that match the given filter. Here I'm updating all the documents with the subdivision of Willow Acres to New Acres. Number 4, leverage the findOneAndUpdate method to return the original document before updating it. Here I'm updating the document with ID ending in 865 with a new APN and a new subdivision of Rancho Rio 3. Last but not the least, number 5. When using the findOneAndUpdate method, you can set the return new document option to true if you want to return the new document instead of the original. Here I'm setting a new APN and a new subdivision for the document with ID ending in 865. When I execute this command, you'll notice that the new document was returned. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.